How's it going, Plant Heroes? Plant Hero Call here today to celebrate you. Now, this channel has blown up over the past month or so. We passed 500 subscribers. We're now, up in the 600 range. And I wanted to do something to thank you because all the support that I'm getting really warms my heart, makes me want to grow more, and makes me want to produce better content for you. So we are doing a giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the giveaway that we're going to be doing in just a second. But first off, I want to say thank you because I couldn't have, felt this momentum without you. I really appreciate all the support and comments, just, sharing the videos around. So if you like what we're doing, drop some fertilizer on that like button, click the subscribe button to join in, and that'll be part of the contest. We're gonna try and grow to 1,000. That's our goal right now. And what we're gonna do is, if you are a subscriber and you comment on any one of the next videos until we get to 1,000, then you will have an entry to win. I'm gonna aggregate all of the comments and just go back and check, make sure people are subscribed. But that is that simple. That's how you are entered, and I will select 3 people. There's a first, second, and third place. And if you're selected, I'll get in touch with you. Also, if you turn a friend onto the channel, that's another way to enter. So I don't know if maybe you can tag someone that you know, or share the video to someone you know, and they can say, oh, so-and-so sent me. That's another entry for you. So it's a little informal, but we're, still grassroots, growing from the ground up. Anything we can all do together is glorious. Let's talk about prizes. So, because I know that's what everyone wants to know about, but I'm very excited about these. Third place prize, we'll start down there, is a custom CE Grow shirt, or one of our plant shirts, maybe the Plant Daddy, because that one seemed to do really well. We'll have a little conversation, we'll figure out what you want and what size, and we'll get it sent your way. You can start being a plant hero yourself. Number 2, second place prize is going to be one of the 2 books that I talked about in my previous video, Urban Jungles or Wild Interiors. They're beautiful books. You should go ahead and check out that video. I'm pointing around because maybe I can link it, but help you dive deeper into your plant journey. And the first place prize, the big kahuna, if you will, is going to be a one-on-one design session, kind of mocking the process that we would use for our app. You can also see that in a previous video. We can go through your space and figure out what plants would be best for it based on the lighting, based on, how often you want to be watering. Are you feeling like you're a pro, or do you want to start with something easy? Because we have all sorts of recommendations for you, but that would be the first place prize. Or optional, if you feel like you've got all the plants you need and you just, want to have some professional knowledge, we can do a one-on-one plant care, see how all of your plants are doing. It'll be like a little, in-home doctor's visit checkup, and we'll be able to tell you how to take care of the plants that you currently have, if you have any questions on ones that are struggling, or how to clean them up, how to, work with them so that they look the best they can in your space. 3, 2, 1, those are the prizes for you. And this is gonna be a short video today because I just want to get the message out there. In all of my future videos, I'll mention this, but again, real quick, to enter, you have to be subscribed. So definitely click that subscribe button to follow along for future plant fun. Also, like this video and like all of our others to help us grow. Drop some fertilizer on that like button, and then comment. Now, I want to hear from you, in the comments here. Drop them down here. Which plant shirt have you liked the most? Or which one of the 2 books did you like the most? Because that'll help us decide what actually becomes the prize for the contest. And then make sure that if you can share this or any of my other videos to anyone else, go ahead and do that, because if they say, oh, so-and-so referred me, that'll get you an extra entry. So I think that'll do it for today. Thank you, everyone. It's been an awesome journey so far. I've learned a lot. I hope you guys have learned a lot. Let's keep this going. Let's keep growing. And let's make some magic happen. All right. Peace.